Ndewo, no. This is Igbo Daily. In the previous classes we learned items associated with school and people associated with school. Today we'll be learning other words that are associated with the school, such as a test. Test is mule, mule, mule. And then we have exam, ule. Mule means like a small exam, and that's what a test is, right? And ule is exam. Then we have oge egwuregwu. Egwuregwu means play. Oge means time. So time for play, that's a break. And we have ezumike, rest, holiday. So you have learned a lot of words associated with the school, items associated with the school, people that can be found in the school, and these are other words that are also found in the school. So please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.